Hi, I'm Melissa Muir. Welcome to Weekend Jewelry School. In this video series, I'm going to take you guys from the very basic know-nothing to more advanced techniques. We are going to be learning all about the different tools that you might need to make jewelry. Now keep in mind, there are a lot that are out there and you do not need them all to make fantastic jewelry. In fact, you need very few tools. So what I'm going to do is introduce you to the tools that you do need, help you decide where to spend your money, where not to spend your money, and help you to learn how to use those tools properly so that you can then jump in and start creating great jewelry with a good technique and good finishes. I'm so excited to have you guys here. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. That is where I will pull a lot of information. I try to interact with you there as well. I will have several live videos, so be sure to watch the schedule for some of those also. I'm so excited to have you guys here, and I will see you guys in the next video.